Hello and welcome to the SketchList 3D video guide. SketchList helps you brainstorm, plan, and execute your creative projects. This video introduces the improvements to the SketchList 3D rotate function and changes in the user interface. If you select one of the corners that you want to rotate around and right-click, you'll see that the Edit Corner form has been changed. So you can select Edit around this point, but before you rotate, notice that the left value of this plot is 30 and the front value is 5. Change to the interface. For instance, you wanted to rotate on that corner, you can select it and then click Locate around this point. Now if you adjust the rotation, observe that the axis determines where the rotation occurs. Now you'll see that left is 40 and the front is 0. SketchList recalculated the values of front and left during the rotation, accurately labeling them with the appropriate distances. In the previous version of SketchList, users had to mentally transform these distances. Flipping it to the right would still display this value as the front, which wasn't accurate. Now, it indeed shows the right value, marking a significant improvement in this new rendition of the rotate function. Win more bids, spot the mistakes early, and pull advanced reports with SketchList, a complete 3D design software for all your wood project needs.